5 videos you need to watch to stop smoking, start vaping, and stay healthy. We highly recommend that you review all prior videos in this series to get the best experience. Okay, so let's talk about pod systems. And the 2 types of pod systems in general are open systems versus closed systems. So what are closed systems? Closed systems are simple devices that come with pre-filled juice pods, which you replace when consumed. So those are pretty much pre-packaged. The most popular example of that is the Juul system, and we'll look at that in a moment. Open systems gives you the flexibility of choosing whatever brand or flavor of e-juice, but you need to fill these replaceable pods. So let's take a look at some examples. So when we're looking at the pod systems, one of the most common kind of look and feel are these stick pod systems. And this one is by a company called Smoke. And this part pulls out. This is the pod. It is refillable so that you basically just lift up this little flap and you'll see that there's a hole. You put the e-juice in there, close it back up. This is your coil. This probably holds about 3 milliliters of e-juice. So if you're an average vapor, probably get you through the day with no problem. You put this back on here, which is the battery, and then by sucking through the tip, that's what activates the vapor, and you're all set to go. So that's one style. Another one that I really like is by a company called Introductory. And this is, again, another pod system. The pod removes from the top. This one actually fills up in a pretty convenient method. By just turning this piece of plastic, you can then put your e-juice right in here. In this pod and the other pod system that we looked at, both of these use the Nic salts as the e-juice. So we'll just take that off. Twist this, put the e-juice right into that hole, fill her up, close the pod system, put it in like this, and this one actually has a fire button. So by pressing 3 times on the button, you now activate the battery and then you vape from this corner here. So really convenient. This one, I think, also probably about 3 milliliters of juice that it takes. And the last one that I want to show you actually takes standard e-juice. This one is actually called the X-Force by Smoke. Pretty cool names. They've got some pretty wild names for some of these pod systems. This one removes like this. This one actually has a removable coil, which you take out, and we'll talk about priming coils and getting them ready in the next video when we talk about mods. But you put the coil in here, and then the e-juice, another one with a flap, that you pull that flap down, fill it up, pop it in. This one actually has lights to indicate the battery strength. And then you press on it and vape that way. So these are 3 examples of a couple of different pod systems. So let's take it back up. Okay, so let's talk about the pros and cons of the pod system. One obvious pro is their portability. These are small, lightweight devices that when filled with e-juice or e-liquid can easily get you through the day, maybe even a couple of days, depending upon how much you plan on vaping. That's a huge pro. Another pro is the ease of filling, especially the replaceable pods. It can get a little messy, so I always say have a have a tissue or some towel paper on hand, but they're pretty easy and pretty quick to fill up. And if that's something that you find you don't want to do, then there's always the systems like the Juul system, where you can buy the pods with the e-juice all together. Obviously, a lot more limiting in terms of flavors, as well as a little bit pricier, but that might be the best alternative for you, depending upon how you want to go about start vaping. Another major pro to these is that they are very satisfying devices. Most of these are what's called mouth to lung, or you'll see it referred to as MTL. These mouth-to-lung devices are very similar to smoking a cigarette, in the sense that you bring it into your mouth, you get that flavor, and then you inhale and then exhale the vapor. So a lot of benefits. They are super convenient. Some of the cons, I would say the biggest con for me was what's called the throat hit, or how powerful the vape feels as compared to smoking a cigarette. Some of these, like that Smoke X-Force that I showed you, and the Anakin EQ, great systems, really satisfying, gives you a good throat hit. Some of the pod systems, not so much. But again, these devices pretty much go for anywhere between $20 and $30. The replaceable pods cost $3-4. So this is a relatively inexpensive alternative, obviously, to cigarettes, but just for you to try out. And you might want to try out a few of them. I've probably gone through a dozen of these devices before I found one or two that I really liked, and they last generally, I would say, with average use, about a year or so, before obviously the battery cycling wears out. But then again, they're $20 devices. So I think the pros way exceed the cons, and I think this is a great way to get started with vaping. You found this video of value, and if so, please don't forget to like this video, as well as subscribe to our channel and click on the notifications icon so that you'll know when new videos are available. We would love to get your feedback, so please leave your comments down below and feel free to post any questions so that we can address them for you.